In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see enemies better here in Black Ops 7 and improve your visibility. I'm going to be using a PC for this guide, but all of these tips are going to work on console as well. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, what you're going to want to do is begin by opening up your settings and going specifically into your graphics settings. Under the display mode right here, you're going to want to go ahead and set this to full screen exclusive. For the sake of this video right now, I'm going to keep it on full screen borderless just so I can tab out, but essentially put it on full screen exclusive and then set your refresh rate to the highest your monitor supports and set your display resolution to your monitor's native resolution or 1920 by 1080 for better performance. From here, go ahead and scroll down, and what you're going to want to do is actually open up this little gamma and brightness setting right here. And you're going to want to follow the in-game guide, but feel free to raise your brightness slightly if you struggle to see in darker areas. Just avoid going too high or the game's going to look washed out. Hit apply whenever you're done. From here, scroll down to this NVIDIA Reflex Low Latency section right here. If you do have it, go ahead and put it on plus boost. If it's not performing well, just switch it back to on, but typically on plus boost does perform better. Turn VSync off and then go to the custom frame rate section right here. Hit show more to get these options to appear, but set gameplay to your monitor's refresh rate, menu to 60, out of focus to 30. This is going to reduce the PC stress while you're not in a match. If you see HDR, turn it off unless you really prefer playing with it. Apply all these settings and go over to your quality tab and set your upscaling and sharpening to Fidelity CAS, and then hit show more and go ahead and put it to 90. Scroll down till you see the depth of field option right here. Go ahead and turn it off and set your particle resolution to high for cleaner visual effects. Under the shadow and lightning section right here, put everything on low or off and then hit apply if needed. This is just going to increase your FPS. And then switch over to the view tab and set your field of view between 90 and 120. Obviously a lower FOV makes enemies appear larger and easier to see, but a higher FOV is going to give you that wider peripheral vision. I usually play it on around 110 to 115, but it's completely up to you. Set your ADS field of view to advanced and your weapon field of view to wide or narrow, depending on your preference. And then turn world motion blur and weapon motion blur off and set the first person camera movement to less or least. From here, go into your interface settings, and what you're going to want to go ahead and do is go into readability and then find color customization and select it. Under the color filter settings, go ahead and select it to color filter 2 right here. And then set the color filter target to both and set world and interface color intensity to 100. From here, go up to your enemy color right here, select it and adjust the hue to something that you can easily see, like red, yellow, and purple, just because those are the best options. And set your saturation and brightness both to maximum so that the enemy outlines and indicators pop. Apply that custom color, and if you are playing on console or PC, just remember that your TV or monitor may have extra settings. Increasing brightness, contrast, gamma, sharpness, and saturation slightly can also help visibility. Just take a picture of your settings before you do change anything. But that is it. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.